Hi, welcome back to ALU Digital, where we give you tips to enhance your digital presence and brand. In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can use Trello to organize your digital content, create digital content calendar, do task lists and to-do lists, assign things to different members of your team if you're on a team, all using one platform. So again, Trello can act as a one-stop platform for all your digital content organizational needs. So let's go ahead and check out how you can use Trello to organize your digital content, keep yourself and your team on track, and also have access to that content scheduling platform on your mobile device. Let's go ahead and check out Trello.
Okay, I'm in the main page for my Trello board. On this page, you can see that I have a content and ideas board already created, but if you need to create a new board, you definitely can and follow the steps that I'm about to show you. Because I have the content and ideas board already created, I'm going to go ahead and select that. So I have titled this board Content and Ideas. It's in the ALU Digital's project. It's currently private, but you can make it public, and I can invite or share this board. So what you want to do if you're using a brand new board is just create yourself a new list. Your first list, you can title it Content and Video Ideas. Then you want to make sure your next list is titled Script Writing plus Storyboarding, Filmed, Edited for YouTube, Edited for Instagram and IGTV, Thumbnails and Description, Hashtag and Metadata, Uploaded to YouTube and IG, and Archive and Backup. If you need to add another item to your list, you would just add another list. So the list is helpful because it allows you to sequentially lay out the different steps and components you should have for your digital content. You don't want to be producing a thumbnail when you really haven't edited your video for YouTube or Instagram. You definitely don't want to be uploading and then having to go back and produce a thumbnail or description. So again, the list is great because sequentially you lay out the order in which you should be executing different components for your digital content. Now that I have all my lists titled, I want to create cards. Cards are where I'm going to populate my different content ideas. So I already have a few ideas and cards listed down in the content and video idea list. To add a card to this particular list, you can just click Add Another Card. So you can title this something like Edit Tags, and then add the card. And just like that, it's populated. If you want to shift your card to a different order, you would just click and drag it there. And there you go. If you want to copy a card, you would select this tool and go to Copy. And once you copy that card, you edit it. And click Create Card. And just like that, you've copied an old card, made a tiny little modification to it, and it's now in your content and video idea list. Again, if you want to switch the order, you just click and drag. Once you're ready to move on to the next step, which is scripting and storyboarding, what you're going to do is simply select and drag your card to the next list. Now that we have scripted and storyboarded our idea, we're going to move it over to Filmed. Scripting and storyboarding will give us all the resources we need to easily film our content. After we filmed it, we want to edit it for YouTube. After we've edited for YouTube, if we plan to use it on any other platforms like Instagram or IGTV, we want to make sure we already have an edited version for those two platforms. If you're going to be using Twitter or uploading video to Facebook or any other platform that requires a different resolution or upload size, you want to make sure that you also have a list for those particular platforms. Next, I'm going to create my thumbnails and description for my content. After I've done that, I want to think of any hashtag, tags, or metadata that might be useful for my associated content. After I've done that, I want to go ahead and now upload it to YouTube or IGTV. After I've done that, I want to make sure that the videos I've edited are now archived or backed up. So what happens with this content planning board is that sequentially, I have all the steps that I need to take to make sure that I'm not missing anything as I go along in preparing and creating my digital content. So again, the lists allow you to know sequentially what order you need to take to create the different components that you need for your digital content so that you don't miss a step. You don't want to be uploading your video to YouTube or IGTV without really having hashtags ready or thumbnails and description. If you have all these different components ready, it makes it so much easier when it's time to upload. So let's recap. To use Trello to plan and organize your digital content, all you want to do is create a board, create list titles sequentially in the order in which you want to produce your resources. After that, create cards and populate them with different ideas. After you've created your cards and populated them with different ideas, you're now ready to begin working. Once you're ready for the next step in your planning process, you want to drag and shift your card to the next list item, and then drag it and shift your card to the next list item as you progress onward. So this is how you can use Trello to easily plan and organize your digital content. There are various other tools and resources within Trello, which we'll be getting to in later videos. We want to make sure that you have all the tools and resources you need to easily use Trello for your various needs. At ALO Digital, we want to provide you with tips and resources to help you elevate your digital presence and brand. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.